The Fontainebleau in Las Vegas, which opened in 2023, is a 67-story hotel and casino with over 3,600 rooms and suites. Join us on a complete room tour in this incredible hotel. In early May of 2025, we stayed in room 3723, which is a noble suite and a very generous 937 square foot space. Using your key card, as you walk through the door, the first thing you'll notice is just how bright and beautiful the room is. Off to the right is the first of 2 full bathrooms. You can see push-button lighting on the wall, beautiful marble countertops, plenty of towels, and of course you have your tissues, your water glass, your face cloths, lotion and soap. There's plenty of outlets. And to the right is the toilet and a full marble shower. You've got shampoo, conditioner, and body wash all provided. And I love how in these bathrooms the mirrors are backlit. It just makes it so nice for when you're getting ready. Now coming out into the hallway, you'll notice on the left-hand side there's a full-length mirror. And turning to the right, there's a closet, which is great for storing your suitcase when you're not using it. On the wall to the right, you've got your panel for your drapes, shears, and lights. And now coming into the kitchenette, beautiful marble countertop again. You've got pretty decor, your ice bucket, water glasses, phone and notepad, sink, yummy snacks, and down below, a beautiful, fully loaded minibar. Of course, those are all at an additional cost. Underneath, you've got some cabinet space. This drawer has cocktail glasses, stir sticks, and a bottle opener. This one's empty for you to store whatever you need, and a wine cooler below. All along this back wall, these cabinets are all empty, which is great because you can store any snacks you bring or put away any items that you don't want sitting out during the day or night when you're not in your room. Coming out now into the living space, you can just see how large the room is. There's plenty of seating. You've got 2 bar stools, comfy couch, 4 chairs, coffee table, books, great lighting, large TV with more counter space and more storage below in the cabinets. And just look at this view. You can see Circus, Resorts World, the Encore, the Convention Center, and so much more. Moving now towards the bedroom, you can see on the wall on the left, there's controls for your air conditioning. And as you go into the door, there's actually another air conditioning control right here. This bed is extremely comfortable, lots of pillows, and it's very, very clean, which I like. There's a nice big large TV and 3 empty drawers below. And just look at this view again. Beautiful mountains in the background. There is a nightstand on either side of the bed. They each have controls for the drapes and charging options. They also each have a lamp and a small drawer. On this side is the remote control for the TV, and the other side has the phone. And just look at the view of the sphere from this bedroom. At the end of this video, I'll add a clip that shows you what the sphere looks like at night. Moving on now towards the closet, you'll see you've got comfy slippers, lots of hangers, a luxurious robe, luggage rack. There is a steamer, and to be honest, I would much prefer an iron and ironing board, but the steamer did the job. Got your wall safe. And now looking towards the ensuite bathroom, you've got another nice robe, backlit mirror, and a large marble shower. Again with your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And to the right of that is a nice deep tub for soaking. And your double vanity. Lots of towels below, space to store your own things. A nice hair dryer. And what's unique about this is that in addition to the normal vanity items that they provide for you in hotels, they also have here a razor, toothbrush, shaving cream, toothpaste, and mouthwash, which is kind of cool. Lots of face cloths, your lotion, and your tissues. And lastly, you've got your second toilet, and that's the ensuite bathroom. Overall, we really loved staying in this room. It feels fancy, but in a very modern and simple way. It is very comfortable. We honestly can't wait to stay at the Fontainebleau again. But before you go, check out the view of the sphere from this beautiful room at night. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel so that we can share more of our Trees and Seas travel experiences with you. Thank you for watching.